Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and endorse someone on LinkedIn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So first of all, what is endorse, what is endorsement, and why it matters in LinkedIn? So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your LinkedIn app, then get access to it. Make sure you're logged in as well. Then so for the endorsement is, I'll show you first. For that, go to your profile on first. Again, tap on your profile, scroll down and till you find this option called skills given below. The third is, so tap on this show all 13 skills. So these are all the skills, right? So if somebody says something about, tap on it. So if you tap on it, so if let's say if you, this is your skill, right, you can tap on this pencil icon and you can see the skills below. We will have endorsement from people that who actually have agreed that you do have that skill, you are putting out the skill that actually you have worked with, and it is great, who have worked with you using that service of yours. That is what endorsements looks like in skills area. You can tap on the three dot and you will find this option called endorsement settings. If you tap on it, it will give you endorsements, manage how you receive and give endorsements. I want to endorse, so make sure to turn on this setting as well. Turning off endorsement settings means we won't suggest you or ask a connection to endorse you. So this for your case, for your profile, you will have to turn on this particular settings on. So that is what you wanna do it for you to get it endorsed. Come over here and turn all of your settings on, and that will be it. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and this I'll see you guys in our next video.